Why is Elon Musk selling all his houses in America? SpaceX and Tesla CEO Elon Musk, one of the world's richest men, has reportedly started to live in a $50,000 box home at Starbase in Texas. A few days back, Musk had written a tweet in which he informed his followers about selling his last remaining house. He wrote, "My primary home is literally a $50,000 house in Boca Chica, Starbase that I rent from SpaceX. It's kinda awesome though." The big question is, why? Before we answer this question, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon to get updated with everything about technology and finance. Own physical things instead of cash. That's the high-level advice the Tesla CEO and multi-billionaire has for those seeking advice on where to store their wealth when inflation is running rampant. Elon Musk was tweeting in response to MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor's prediction that inflation would persist at 40-year highs, and that investors' flight from cash, debt, and value stocks to scarce property like Bitcoin will intensify. Musk seemed to agree, saying that it is generally better to own physical things like a home or stock in companies you think make good products than dollars when inflation is high. But he added, "I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Doge." Meanwhile, U.S. home prices are up about 20% from a year ago, as measured by the S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Index. The median cost of a single-family home is now north of $400,000 for the first time ever. The Wall Street Journal reports that homeowners earned more from their residences than their jobs last year. Is owning real estate a risky investment? Well, in the past decade, real estate has ranked as the top investment pick for the majority, 35% of Americans, according to Gallup's annual Economy and Personal Finance Survey. That puts real estate ahead of stocks and mutual funds, 21%, savings accounts, 17%, gold, 16%, and bonds, 8%, as the most favored investment. It may be the top investment pick, but is real estate investing really safe? Just like any investment, real estate investing has risks, and property owners can lose money. One of the most popular drawbacks of buying real estate is the negative cash flow. Cash flows on a real estate investment refer to the money that's left over after paying all expenses, taxes, insurance, and mortgage payments. Negative cash flows thus happen when the money coming in is less than the money going out, meaning you're losing money. The other common issue is the choice of location. Well, the location should always be your first consideration when buying an investment property. After all, you can't move a house to a more desirable neighborhood, nor can you move a retail building out of an abandoned strip mall. But when you're as rich as Elon Musk, the location options you might have are endless. Let's see what people online think about this story. ThunderMed tweeted, "With all that money, he doesn't need to worry about owning a home anyway. He can buy 20 homes in one go." Another interesting tweet from the web comes from Safinex12. "Other celebrities buy mansions, wait a couple of years, and sell for profit. They know their name will fetch their mansions good profits." Let us know in the comments section, why does Elon Musk sell his houses and rent instead? Is this a smart business decision or just a personal belief? That was all for today. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos about technology and finance.